We shall now quickly revise the Napumsakalinga Shabda Parichayaha from our previous class, and then let us solve the exercises from the textbook. I hope you have done it as part of your homework. We shall discuss the answers of that. Monica Balaji, can you start reciting the words? Please also recite in other vachanas.
Namaste Mahoday.
Namaste.
Pustakam, pustake, pustakani, book. Chatram, chhatre, chatrani, umbrella.
Chatrani, nakara will come.
Chatrani. Window. Vatayanam, vatayane, vatayani.
Vatayanani.
Oh, vatayanani.
Because that nakara is there already part of the word. Vatayana, okay. Vatayanani, it becomes. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Next.
Hand fan. Vyajanam, vyajane, vyajanani.
Vyajanani only, not ni. Okay.
Sofa. Sukhasanam, sukhasane, sukhasanani. Spectacles. Upanetram, upanetre, upanetrani. Computer. Ganakam, ganake, ganakani.
Ganakani. Okay.
Ganakani.
Yeah, sure. Dhanyawada.
I'm not fine. Okay, thank you.
Sorry?
I'm not finding the difference between both the nas. I'm not knowing how to pronounce these.
Okay. So quickly I'll tell about it now. So one is tatha dadha na, which is the dantya varana basically. So your tongue will actually touch the back part of your teeth, or the starting part of your teeth. So that is na. Okay. Similar to name, or like anything like Vidwan, na, Raman, that is na. Okay. So Ganakani, it will become ni. But the other letter, which is na, is basically you'll have to roll up your tongue. Tatha dadha na. So it will become Vastrani, ni. Okay. This is ni, that is ni. That is the difference between the two. Hope you will be.
Thank you, Mother.
Okay. So Nataraj Mahodaya, can you recite the next shabdas? Okay. Yeah. No, that is over. From Phalam.
Phalam, phale, phalani. Parnam, parne, parnani.
Parnani. Okay.
Okay. Parnani. Okay. Vimanam, vimane, vimani. Vimanani. Dwaram, dware, dwarani.
Very good.
Griham, grihe, grihani.
Grihani. Nakara will come. Yeah. Okay.
Nakara. Grihani.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha, Mahodaya. So a quick thing to know where that nakara comes and where nakara comes. Okay. A quick table. This we have seen in last class as well. Phalam phale phalani, kamalam kamale kamalani, etc. And wherever there is rakara that comes, then it becomes dwaram dware dwarani. Or similarly, shakara comes, it will become pushpam pushpe pushpani. This is the general rule we have learnt so far. So to see in general, if a word consists, if you see the right side bottom table, that summarizes at this level what we should know. In general, if the word consists of rakara, r or sh, repha or shakara, then if it is followed by either any of the swaras, a to au, any of the swaras, or ya, ra, la, va, ha, or kavarga, that is ka, kha, ga, gha, nga, or pavarga, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. If any of these cases occur, okay, if ra, sh is followed by this, or directly after ra, if we have nakara, okay, that is the case, then that na will change to na. So instead of dwarani, it becomes dwarani, nakara. Okay. Now, if in case after rakara, after repha and after shakara, if there is any other letter than this, whatever is listed, in such cases, it becomes na only. It remains as na only. For that, the example is here, puratanam. Therefore, though there is rakara here, repha here in this word, puratanam, but after repha, there is a swara, that is fine. After that, there is takara and nakara, which is not part of this list of kavarga or pavarga. And hence, the bahuvachana form will have puratanani only. And therefore, there is no nakara here. Similar to that is abharanam. So, abhara, repha is there. After that, there is na, okay, which is not listed in this list. So even here it will be abharanani. Okay. One another peculiar case is griham. Griham, though there is no repha in that, it is rikara which is there. So because of that also, which has the amsha of repha, that's how it is considered, and hence there also we get it as nakara. Grihani. Okay. Hope this will be clear. Just ensure that this is the rule for having there is a change in nakara to nakara. There are some more exceptional rules, but at this level, this is more than sufficient to for us to know and practice. We shall go to the next one. This is just a quick reminder for you all to practice this way. So I will tell one or two sentences of this, and then we shall go to the exercises directly. So tat kim, how to frame the questions? Tat kim, tat pustakam. Tat कीदृशं पुस्तकं तत् सुन्दरं पुस्तकम् एते के एते फले एते कीदृशे फले एते मधुरे फले then तानि कानि तानि द्वाराणि तानि कीदृशानि द्वाराणि तानि नूतनानि द्वाराणि and so on. So the three questioning words kim ke kani and three other questioning words to know more about the object or to get the adjective as an answer is kidrisham, kidrishe, kidrishani. What kind of object it is to know about it? Kidrisham, kidrishe, kidrishani. Just remember these questioning words and because this is very important, similar to Pullinga and Strilinga, where it is kaha kauke, then kake kaha, kidrishaha, kidrishau, kidrishaha, kidrishi, kidrishyau, kidrishyaha. So please remember all these forms well. So now let us go to the exercise. And then we shall see this summary table again after we do the exercise. So I request you to raise your hand so that I can call out your names for solving these exercises. Let us see. So if you have got already a chance in today's class to recite or anything like that, please lower your hand so that other students can get a chance. Okay, Shailaja Gunda. Where is it? Okay, somehow I didn't see your name. Okay, Vimala Jayaraman Bhagini. Can you answer?
Yes, yes. Namaste.
Namaste.
Etat kim? Etat phalam.
Very good. Etat phalam.
Tani kani? Tani palani.
Tani phalani, tani kusumani, any of them.
Tani kusumani.
No problem. Whatever answer you give, you can give it. This is just a model answer that I'm giving. Okay. Ete ke?
Ete vyajane.
Ete vyajane, ete pustake. Very good. Tani kidrishani mandirani.
Tani vishalani mandirani.
Very good. Tani vishalani mandirani. Very good. Next one. Eshaha kidrishaha tarunaha.
Eshaha balishtaha tarunaha.
Very good. Eshaha balishtaha tarunaha chaturaha tarunaha. Next. Etani kani.
Etani vastrani.
Very good. Etani vastrani, etani kamalani. Tat kim?
Tat nakshatram.
Very good. Te ke?
Te vimane.
Te vimane, te grihe. Okay, very good. Well answered. Hope you have written the exercises as well in your book. Dhanyavadaha. We shall go to the next main. Nandana Nair, can you please answer the next set of questions? So change the following into interrogative sentences based on underlined words. So you'll have to ask a question based on this. Ete amulye abharane. What would be the question? Nandana, if you are
She's not done it actually because you have not received the book actually. She will try actually. Is it possible?
okay, so you can try it out anyway.
Mistake.
Okay.
Is the mistake. Right.
Okay, I will call out another.
Can you give one example for her?
Okay, so similar to Eshaha, Etat Sundaram Pustakam, then you will ask the question Etat Kidrisham Pustakam. Okay, that is the question that you will to get this answer. Amulye here is an adjective. So to get that as an answer, we'll have to use either Kidrisham, Kidrishe, Kidrishani based on the Vachana. The correct Vachana, you'll have to identify and ask the question. So can you try now?
एते कीदृशानि आभराणि
No. Kidrishe abharane. Kidrisham, Kidrishe, Kidrishani. Right? It is Bivachanam. Okay. So ete Kidrishe abharane will be the right question. Can you try one more? Ete Vishalaha Vrikshaha.
एते कीदृशाः वृक्षाः.
Very good. Ete Kidrishaha Vrikshaha. This is a Pullinga form. That is right. Very good. Next. Tat Madhuram Phalam.
तत् कीदृशं फलं.
Very good. Kidrisham Phalam. That is right. Te Pite Kusume.
ते कीदृशे कुसुमे.
Very good. Te Kidrishe Kusume. Right. Next. Tat Sundaram Griham.
तत् कीदृशं गृहम्.
Very good. The last one. Tani Haritani Parnani.
तानि कीदृशानि पर्णानि.
Very good. Very good. What is your name?
नंदना.
Okay, you are Nandana. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. So please keep practicing it. So in the exam, okay, there may be questions which are mixed in both Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga in multiple questions. So don't go by the first one and you think that it is always Napumsakalinga here. Okay, so for example, there was one exception of Vishalaha Vrikshaha. Okay, so note that. Okay, so let us go to the next main. Kundan, can you answer these questions? Yeah, write the other numbers. Anya Vachana.
Pushpe Pushpani.
Very good. Next one.
Mitram Mitre Mitrani.
Right.
Netram Netre Netrani.
Right.
Jnanam Jnane Jnanani.
Very good.
Kushumam Kushume Kushumani.
It is Sakara, not Sha. Kusumam, Kusume, Kusumani. Okay. Next one.
Mandiram Mandire Mandirani.
Mandirani. Okay. Mandiram, Mandire.
Mandirani.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Okay. So we should go to the next main. So frame sentences using suitable pronouns. So let us see. I'll try to give a chance to 2 students, 4 sentences each. Raji R.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste. Toyam. Can you tell a sentence? Make a sentence.
अहं प्रयत्नं करोमि.
तत्र सरल वाक्यानि एव प्रयोगं करोतु. Use suitable pronouns. Okay, so use any of the pronouns, that is tat, either tat shabda or etat shabda, and you can tell the sentence. If you want, you can add an adjective as well. So there's no hard and fast rule that you have to add an adjective. So simple sentences. Yes, please start.
एतत्तोयं बहु मधुरमस्ति.
That's what. So we haven't learned so much yet. So at this point in time, using a pronoun and probably one adjective is sufficient. But what sentence you have told is also right. Etat toyam madhuram asti. That we shall try to construct such sentences by next class or moving forward. But etat toyam, etat madhuram toyam. That these two are possible. Next, pushpam.
एतत् पुष्पं सुन्दरम् अस्ति.
Okay, tat pushpam. A simple sentence. Next one, netram. Please be quick. Just use any of the adjective or just use the pronoun and answer it.
तत् नेत्रं.
Okay, tad netram, etan netram. That should be fine. Next, shirsham.
तत् शीर्षं.
Tat shirsham. Okay, dhanyawadaha. Priyadashini
धन्यवादाः.
Bhagini. Can you tell the next sentences?
Yes.
Mandirani.
Yeah. Aham bahuni mandirani gacchami.
See, as I've told, so far we haven't learned using the kriya padam etc. along with these words. So which we shall.
Etani
Yes.
sundarani mandirani.
Okay, very good. Etani sundarani mandirani. That's right. Next, nakshatrani.
Tani nakshatrani.
Very good. Tani nakshatrani. Abharanam.
Etat sundaram abharanam.
Very good. Etat sundaram abharanam. Right. Next, sopanam.
Can you know the meaning of the sopanam?
Sopanam is basically staircase.
Staircase. Etat sopanam.
Right. Etat sopanam, tat sopanam. Dhanyawadaha. So the main intention of this main is to use suitable pronoun and frame sentences. Though the other sentences that you have told is valid and correct, at this point in time, we shall stick to these answers or these as the model answers. Okay. So the next main was straightforward to identify from the picture to write what it is. So this I will just read out. So Pullinga, it's Balakaha, Balika, and then Halam. And similarly in Dvivachanam, it is Ashwau, then Mahile, and this is Parne. This is basically leaf because of the scan, the color got changed a bit. And the next one in Bahuvachanam, it is Shukaha, Veenaha, and then Pustakani. These are the answers for the exercises that that were given in as part of last class. Hope all of you are able to follow these exercises, and hope you have also completed these exercises. So now we shall quickly see the similarities and dissimilarities between the three lingas when we use with respect to whatever we have learned so far. Saha taute saate taha tatte tani, when we use tat shabda. Similarly, eshaha etau ete, esha ete etaha, etat ete etani for strilinga and napumsakalinga for etat shabda. And similarly, the questioning words kaha kauke, kake kaha, kimke kani. This table will summarize all the forms and all the questions that we have learned. Similarly, the other table, this table, will help us understand what kind of, if you want to ask a question, what kind of in the three vachanas and in three lingas, what will be those words. So I request all of you to make note of this table, make note in your book as well, write it down so that it is clear to you all and you can practice this and revise whenever you go through these tables. So with that, we shall proceed further to Sankhyaha. We have learned in our previous class up to 10, and today we shall learn more after that. Okay, so let me ask one of the student to read out the Sankhyas. Sheila Krishnan, can you start reading out the numbers?
Ekam 1, Dve 2, Trini 3, Chatvari 4, Pancha 5, Shat 6, Sapta 7, Ashta 8, Nava 9, Dasha 10.
Okay, very good. Can you tell all the 10 numbers only in Sanskritam now? Ekam, Dve, Trini, in that way?
Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha.
Very good, very good. So all these numbers, what we have told now, all are representing the Napumsakalinga words. Ekam, Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. So if you remember, Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Ekam, Dve, Trini. Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. All these numbers are referring to Napumsakalinga words. So if you have one book, we can say Ekam Pustakam. If you have two books, we can say Dve Pustake. If you have three books, it becomes Trini Pustakani. Similarly, if you use any of these, Pancha, if you want to use Pancha, Pancha Indriyani. So 5 sense organs, Pancha Indriyani. Shat. So in this way, we can use the numbers as adjectives for any of the noun forms. So these numbers 1 to 10, what we have learned now is specifically for Napumsakalinga, but after 4, that is after Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, etc., these can be used along with Pullinga Shabdas also. Pancha, say Pancha Bhutani, okay. Similarly, Shat Ritavaha, Rutu, basically 6 Rutus are there. So Shat Ritavaha. Then Sapta, for Sapta you can use Sapta Parnani, 7 leaves you can use, or 7 colors, Sapta Varanaha, the colors, 7 colors, etc. So only for the first 4, Ekam to Chatvari, we have different forms for Pullinga and Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. But from 5 onwards, Pancha onwards, everything for Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, we can use this word directly. Okay. So Pancha Purushaha Santi. We shall see the specific forms of Pullinga and Strilinga for 1 to 4 in our next class. So now let us learn the multiples of 10 in today's class. So Kalyan Mahodaya, please repeat after me. Dasha.
Namo Namaha.
Dasha.
Dasha.
You can tell in English as well the number.
10.
Vimshatihi.
Vimshatihi 20.
Trimshat.
Trimshat 30.
Chatvarimshat.
Chatvarimshat 40.
Panchashat.
Panchashat 50.
Shashtihi.
Shashtihi 60.
Saptatihi.
Saptatihi 70.
Ashitihi.
Asitihi 80.
It is Ashitihi, Shakara, not Sa.
Ashitihi. Asitihi.
Right.
Asitihi.
Navatihi.
Navatihi 90.
Shatam.
Shatam 100.
Very good. So please practice these multiples of 10 so that 1 to 10 we know and multiples of 10 we know. In the upcoming classes, we shall learn all the other numbers, that is 1 to 100, whatever numbers are there. So it is very easy and it is very systematic in Sanskritam, similar to any other languages as well. So we shall learn that, and we shall also learn some of the words that are related to these numbers, and like which are very much very famous. Like for example, I told a few examples today, like Panchendriyani, Pancha Indriyani. I told like this for each of the numbers, or for a few numbers, we will see what are related objects with respect to that number, and we'll try to learn about it in upcoming classes.